Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the new Klarity Kosmetics Klarity Rain palette to share with you all today. Let's open this up and take a peek inside this 24 pan palette. In this palette, you're going to be getting 2 duochromes, 3 multichromes, 1 foiled shadow, and 18 velvety mattes. This palette looks perfect for year round. There's a little bit of something for everybody, I feel, in this palette. Now, this palette is going to drop on November 27th at 12 p.m. CST. It will retail for $69. I do have an affiliate code with Klarity Kosmetics, and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off. Now, also on November 27th is their Black Friday sale, where I believe most of their site is going to be 30% off, but you'll have to double check with them over on their Instagram. But I believe that is when the Black Friday sales are starting. So exciting. A lot of makeup is going to be going on sale within these next 2 weeks. Some things that you've had your eye on, maybe some things that you've been waiting on. Maybe now is the chance that you're finally going to be able to pick them up and add them to your stash. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. You're getting 3 in today's video. I do lip swatches. I just swatched a whole bunch of the new NYX Lip IV. I do a lot of things here on my channel. I do a lot of things when I'm able to do a lot of things because I do work full time and my job is very demanding, especially this time of year, as I'm sure some of you can relate. But if all of that sounds great to you, come on and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Klarity Kosmetics, maybe you're already a fan of this palette, you're liking the color story, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. Don't forget to check the description box for links and codes to everything that I'll be discussing and wearing in today's video. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started. We got 3 full looks to get through today. If you guys want to see how the Klarity Rain palette is gonna perform, keep on watching. So I just realized my microphone was off. The shade, thank goodness I've only gone in with 1 shade, but the shade that I went in with is called Press Fun. And I thought this was going to be a more bone color shade, but it's actually turning out to be a rather nice transition shade. The brush I'm going to use, and I'm going to try and use some Klarity Kosmetics brushes today. This is the K1126. And you didn't hear me mention this, but I am wearing a red and cream suit to work today. So kind of want to do something that'll complement that. Shadow is blending out very well, very smooth, very easy to work with. I feel like Klarity Kosmetics, for me personally, they have one of the best formulas as far as indie brands go. I've always enjoyed their palettes, their color stories, and especially their shade names. They always do fun shade names that complement each palette. Next, I'm going to go in with this mustard shade right here. This one is called Triple Fret, and I'm going to use the K220 brush to apply. You'll see I'm kind of placing this on the lid and then just kind of blending it into the crease a bit. That is a really pretty color. Now on a Klarity 1248, I think I am going to dip into, I was going to maybe use this one, but I think I'm going to go in with this brown one over here. This one is called All In. Just focusing this on the outer corner. I think that is looking really pretty. Very easy to blend out. Now, we possibly could leave it as an all matte look. We're not going to do that because I think Klarity Kosmetics has a really nice shimmer formula. So what am I going to do for shimmer? This one looks really pretty, but then so does this one. I feel like I want to go in with this one right here. This one is called It Girl. And I'm going to lay down a little bit of my Gourmand Girls Shimmer Primer. And I'm using my Morphe M124 just to apply that. And I'll also use the same brush to apply the shimmer. This is a really awesome shimmer primer. I'd been searching one for a while, and I'm so glad that Gourmand Girls came out with it. And it's only 10 bucks. Less, of course, a discount code, minus Steff, or 10% off. Oh wow, look at that. This is perfect because I'm wearing gold jewelry today. Just gonna go in with a little bit more of the shade All In, that darker matte brown, just to blend right in here. All right, now let's do something for the lower lash line. I'm thinking of this one right here. This one is called Symphony. I'm using a Rephr 03 to apply. I think that looks so pretty. I love it. For the inner corner, I think I'm going to bring the same shade down. I'm going to use the same brush, but I am just going to spray it and add a little bit more right there. All right, guys, let me go take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I went in with some Win Beauty liquid eyeliner in black for the top lash line. For the lower waterline, I went in with this one from LA Girl. This is their Shockwave Metallic Liner in the shade Gold Metal. And the mascara I'll be using in today's video is, of course, the good old Essence Lash Princess, the one in the green with the green on it. I am wear testing one of the new NYX liquid, or what is it? Lip IV, liquid IV. Lip IV, this one is in the shade 04 Cocoa Quench. So I'm doing 2 wear tests today. I'm wear testing the eyeshadow, I'm wear testing the lippy. So excited about all of this new makeup, but I love the way this look turned out. Okay guys, so here is the eye look 10 hours later. I think it's just as vibrant and beautiful as it was 10 hours ago when I applied it. No fallout, everything's intact. Got some compliments today. I really love it. For me, Klarity Kosmetics, they have a really nice formula. And so far, Klarity Rain has been performing really well. I will see you in a bit for look number 2. All right, guys, so let's start working on look number 2 with the Klarity Rain palette. I'm wearing a really sparkly silver top to work today. So anything really could go because I'm wearing black pants with it. So maybe we could do something with the purples. I think that would look really pretty. I think I'm going to start over here with Cover Boy, and then over here, and then over here. So those are the 3 mattes we'll lay down. And then I've been really eyeing the shimmer, so we'll see what we can do with that. And I'm using my Game Beauty E01 to apply. I did apply the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. That's the one I've been using for this video. Really nice eyeshadow primer and not very expensive. This is a pretty shade. It's more pink than it is lavender though. That is a really pretty color and it blended out so well. Now in a Game Beauty E07, I'm going in with that mid-tone purple shade called Pocket Change. I'm just focusing this in the crease. Now with that same E07 brush, I'm going into the darkest purple shade, and this one is called Studio Sesh. And I'm focusing it here in the outer corner. So those purples are blending really well on top of each other. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. The shade is called Showtime. I'm using my Rephr 03 to apply. I'm going to stop about right there. Ooh, this shade has some pigment. I thought it was going to turn out to be a little bit lighter, but maybe because of the type of brush I'm using, it is coming out a little deeper, which I don't mind. I think it looks really cool. Now I'm going to set down some of my Gourmand Girls Shimmer Primer to the lids, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Clarity. I'm getting a little bit of fallout there, but I did not spray the brush. Now I'm going to go in with the shade next. This one is called Penny. I'm going to focus that out here. Kind of adds a little pink red reflect to the look. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to add the shade Can't Beat It. And I'm using a damp Rougher 03. And I think with that, this completes our look. Let me pop off camera to take care of those finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Same everything from the first look with the exception of the low waterline. I went in with a KVD gel eyeliner in the shade Roxy Purple. And this is the look. I think it looks really cool, something totally different from yesterday. So you can already see the versatility in this palette. I will see you guys in a few seconds. For me, it's going to be 24 hours and then we'll work on the final look, look number 3. All right, so I've already primed my eyelids with the Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. And now we are ready to dive into this palette. I am wearing black and like a camel color pant today. So we could do something with the orange. We could even incorporate the red over here. I don't remember if I dipped into this shade. Glass Harmon. No, I actually don't feel. And then we have these shades here that are just these 3 mattes. They're just not speaking to me at all. I'm thinking maybe start with Sweet Duet and then go into Glass Harmonica, and then maybe even see if I can incorporate actually the red. I was thinking maybe the black or brown, but let's do these 3 shades first and let's see what we get. And I'm using a Rephr 01 Max to apply. Wow, this is a very pigmented matte shadow. So this is my 3rd day in a row trying out this palette. Also trying out these new NYX Lip IV gloss slash stain, which it's definitely more of a gloss than a stain. If you watched my swatch video, you'll know that I did a little wear test in that video, but these are definitely, they're gonna need some help after a meal. You're gonna have to reapply. It does say that you can rub off the glossy part after 10 minutes. I don't really feel the need to do that because it transfers to whatever I am drinking, like before I'm getting ready to work, on my way to work. So, you know, I don't really see that stain effect, but it is a very comfortable formula and there's a lot of cool shades. So just FYI. Now in a Rephr 14 Max, I'm going in with the shade Glass Harmonica. So this is going to be a very nice fall inspired look. Today is actually the first day of our first real cold front. And when I say cold, it's going to be in the 70s today. But right now it's in the 50s, but full sun. And tonight, it's going to be in the 40s, but you guessed it, next day, tomorrow, full sun. So, I mean, that's okay. It has just really not felt like the holidays at all. So, I appreciate any little cool down, especially if the sun is still out. I love a good sunny day. Now, in a Rephr 13, I'm going in with that red shade called Super Fandom. Oh yeah, the quintessential fall look right here. And I don't want the red to be overpowering, so I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. I'm doing the other eye off camera because I have to film a little short video for a sponsorship that I got. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm gonna go in with this green shade here. This green is called Let the Games Begin. And I'm taking this on a rougher 03. Now for the inner corner highlight, I have been eyeing this shade right here. It's called Going Viral. And I just sprayed my Refro 3 with a little setting spray. And there we go. Now, I know I haven't put a shimmer on the lid. I might not. Let me see what the lid is looking like, and maybe we can just leave it as an all matte. And then we have this going on here at the bottom. Ooh, I really like that. Just a teeny little bit of fallout there, but nothing major. I'm going to go back in with the orange shade called Sweet Duet, and I'm going to apply that a little bit more to the lid, just like that. Yeah, I think that looks really nice for us to leave it as an all matte. So I'm going to go take care of the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you this final completed look number 3. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number 3. I really love this. Fall vibes definitely all around. I think that the shadows have really performed well. We'll see how this one does. I forgot to do the check-in yesterday, but I will do a check-in today when I get home from work so you can see what the makeup is looking like. I went in with the same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I used this one from Moira. This one is in the shade, I think it's 04 or 03 Lime. Oh, I'm sorry, 08 Lime. And that's about it. I'm getting ready to head off to work. I'll check in with you guys later and we'll see how the eye look is holding up. And I will give you my final thoughts on the Klarity Kosmetics Rain Palette. Hey guys, so this is 11.5 hours and I think the makeup still looks beautiful. I've had such a great 3 days with the Klarity Rain Palette. I've loved all 3 looks. I've gotten compliments on all 3 looks. I think this is a very versatile palette, and I forgot to mention this in the intro, but this was a palette of the past that they totally revamped and they changed the formula, they changed the shades. So if you had a Klarity Kosmetics Rain palette in the past, then you know how different this one is from that one. I don't have a picture of that older one, but if you do, then leave us a comment so that way we can know how different they are. I love the artwork on it, a beautiful sunset. I love a beach. And I think that this palette is a really nice neutral palette with a fun pops of color in it. You can definitely create everyday looks. You can create some more dramatic evening looks, whatever your heart desires. This palette will be available on November 27th. I believe it's at 12 p.m. CST. And my affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off at Klarity Kosmetics. Also, they will be having their Black Friday sale next week, so stay tuned for that. I want to say it's 30% off of the entire website, but check their Instagram for full details and let me know which look was your favorite. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.